Hey guys, another video. I'm looking for my wife. We are here Christmas shopping. Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm doing Christmas shopping. I'm trying to see if I can get something for the kids, the presents. We still need to do a lot of decoration on our Christmas tree. So yeah, that's what I'm here for actually. Our Christmas tree is empty right now. And I was thinking about the kids to decorate it with apai and tata. We're trying to get some Christmas decorations so we can complete our Christmas tree.
We have to buy more gifts, right?
Yeah, I need to
We
get
have to buy
some
presents.
gifts.
No presents. Hello, nice.
Super nice, guys. I don't know what to get, but it's gonna be a surprise.
Yeah, it's gonna be a surprise for
I'm
them.
not gonna show you on this video.
Yeah.
That's gonna be for the Christmas night while we are opening up the gift.
இங்கே வைன்லாம் வச்சுருக்காங்க. இந்த சைடு சாக்லேட்ஸு.
What are we doing?
We are here at the chocolate aisle.
The chocolate
And-
section. This is cute.
என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க?
Baby, look what I need in my house.
What is it?
Oh my gosh, guys, this is a steam and scrub.
But it's for what? Scrubbing and sanitizing, steaming mop. Where is you can use it?
You can use
Hardwood.
it in hardwood, tile, stone, marble. So this is literally what I need. That house is killing me.
Now you are upgrading it.
And it's on sale. It's $129. The normal price is $179, guys. But they don't have it here. I was looking for it. They don't have it. I might look for it online, but it's on sale, baby.
Them spaces.
It's on sale until the 16th. So I'm not really sure if they might have it online.
I mean, you can ask them anytime. You remember they told you they might have it in the back.
Yes. I need this, guys. As you can
So
see,
it's what? It rotates?
it rotates, it cleans, literally like steam sanitize, bacteria removal, chemical free. I really need this.
Can you talk about that one?
This is my dream. They're expensive. I needed somehow. I don't even need to tell somebody, hey, can you clean my house? I have someone here who will do everything for me. How cool is that? Maybe Santa will bring this for me.
Here she is. What are you doing here, hon?
Finally, look what I found, baby. This is what you were looking for.
What is it?
I don't know, which one do you like?
Hey guys, I've been behind. Okay. So it says gourmet as a sale 49.
What about this one?
And
This
neutral-
one, it says simple, strong.
Okay, neutral.
compact.
Which one?
This one.
The neutral bullet is $109, but it's a sale $80.
Which is good price.
So it has, but it comes only one though, right?
Yeah, I think so.
You want only one?
I was looking for the one that comes like, you know,
Two.
juice one side and then
Yeah.
remove.
Yeah, I know.
They don't have that one.
I mean, they don't have it here. It's a little smaller. It's a $50. Original price is $60.
But then we have to read and see what it's
It's
more.
smaller, the size. Okay, guys, we have a sample here. The one we are getting here, you can see. It's just like a display. This is how it's gonna look, thick like that. So we put the fruits or vegetables or celery, anything you want to put it here. Then what happens, the pulp is gonna stay here. Either you put low or high.
So nice.
Then the juice is gonna be here. Then you can drink it.
Let's go try it at home.
Yeah, we will go buy stuff and we'll try at home. Okay.
All right.
Hey guys.
Welcome back. We're already home.
Yes.
It's a little bit late.
I know.
But
That's
we
why
want-
we have so many lights here and there.
Yep.
So here, like we said, we brought.
We ended up buying
Yeah.
NutriBullet. Is that how you call it?
Yeah, NutriBullet is a brand. It's a juicer. You guys can see here. It makes like a pressed juice. So we've been wanting to try to drink the juice. And we've been buying store. In the store is really good. So what we did, so we're going to make our own juice, right?
Yes, we want to try this and see how the juice is going to come out. Yeah.
So what do we have?
So we have a cucumber right here, already washed it.
Cucumber here.
We got kale.
Ginger.
Do we need a lot of kale, a little bit?
Yeah, I think all of them is fine.
Okay.
First time we are doing it, so we don't know.
Kale is ready. Got lemon right here.
Yeah, so it's going to be 1/2 lemon we're going to use.
2 apple, 1 apple.
Granny Smith apple.
Okay.
2 apple is okay. Okay, this is all we're going to use. We have this blender. It makes juice to smoothie. It makes a smoothie, but this one we wanted to make the juice.
Like more juice. I've been seeing a lot of this juicer on YouTube, and I'm like, I really need to try it. So,
So it comes with
all the
usual stuff, you know.
Yep.
And they have a lids here. Lids for the juicer.
Okay.
I don't need the knives too. I'll put the knife away. You're rinsing it? Okay, let me remove this box. Let's open the juicer. It came with this brush.
What is it
for clean.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is ready?
Yeah. So it has a blade inside. So this is a blade. So you don't want to wash it or touch it. All we have to do, we are just going to rinse it. That's all we're going to do.
All right.
Yeah. So all rinse it. Look, the blade is inside.
Ooh.
You guys can see the blade is inside. This is
that.
very nice. Other side, it has a on, off, low, high. That's the only 2 options they have. So high and low. So I locked everything. It's turned on. Yeah, so it doesn't move.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Okay, it's already got full, guys.
Ooh, that's why I stop, or you stop it?
No, I stopped it.
Oh, wow.
This is a 27 ounces. You guys can see the colors. Like all the first we start with the apple, kale,
You would
carrots.
just throw everything.
Oh, everything inside.
So we're trying to put everything in here because we need to have all the flavor, all the carrot, lemon together, so we can all mix it up together, right?
And also we're gonna see how many ounces we made it.
Right.
Look at this, guys.
Oh, this is exactly what we wanted.
Ooh, I like it.
It's so cool.
Okay, now I'm going to put the lemon. I'm just gonna put the half, like I said. Okay, let's do this one.
Making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas.
There you go.
Okay, I'll put the remaining here. What? Small one like that?
Yeah,
Okay, let's.
let's try.
Oh, I also want to show you guys how it's in the pulp, how it looks.
Oh, like.
Okay, let's do.
See, so we went to Target, right? We were looking for the other one where you can like
The
separate.
pulp comes outside, yeah.
Yeah, they didn't
And
have
juice comes
it.
outside, yeah.
So this is the only choice they have, but not bad.
Yeah, we can clean it up. So
Oh, yeah, I see that.
look at this, guys. Look at the pulp,
Oh wow.
pretty clean. Oh,
You know, you can put this in the garden or you can use it for other things.
I didn't know that. Oh my
Yeah.
God, yes. So still, since it's a vegetable, we don't want to waste it. All we can do, like my
Probably.
wife say,
We can come up with something. If you have an idea, leave it down below and
Yeah, what do
share
you-
with us.
So I'll close this one right now, like the way it is.
Yeah. Ready?
Okay, cheers.
Oh,
Let's-
happy holiday for you.
Happy holidays, guys, with the green juice.
Yep.
You can feel it's, what do you say?
Like more greens.
Yeah, it's more green.
Kale,
Kale,
carrot.
carrots and celery.
I didn't feel the ginger. Probably we should put more ginger. And then lemon,
I think I need a little bit more lemon too.
more lemon and more ginger because I really need to feel that.
It's good.
But it's really, really great. I love it.
I'm super full.
Really? Already?
Maybe I eat also and drink this one.
Look at me.
Yeah, it's good though. It's very good.
All right, guys. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching this video. So there's more video to come.
And we're going to wrap all the presents we buy.
Before they wake up, probably, or tomorrow when they go to school.
Yeah.
I don't want them to see what we buy for them.
Yeah.
And we'll share that with you on a Christmas day for sure.
Yes.
Thank you again for watching this video.
Yeah.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.